Hello, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm very excited. We're on our fourth video using our team card candy. We did this for our team swap in February, and they were all so great that I just wanted to feature them all, and we are making super quick and easy cards using all of these beautiful pieces from my team. So today we're featuring animals. So today, this one was featuring the Wildlife Wonder stamp set in the mini catalog, and it was made by Mary Harvey. Love, love, love it. And then we have this one from Joanne Graham, who used the Seize the Day stamp set. So I'm going to make one gorgeous card using all of Mary's items here. So I'm starting with a crumb cake card base. Done. And then I have a piece of early espresso. This is 5 by 3 3/4, and then a piece of basic white, which is 4 7/8 by 3 5/8, about there. I'm just going to adhere these all together. I've been loving doing cards with all this gorgeous card candy because they're so quick and easy. I can just cut a bunch of card bases, a few layers, and even just one layer on top of that for a lot of these. Okay. I love this one. I'm so glad she decided to use this. So she's got hers on a little piece of clear sheet over some cardstock. So they're already on dimensionals. Well, she's got hers on glue dots, some on glue dots, some with dimensionals. I'm going to peel that off. So everybody's kind of different. She's got a couple dimensionals here. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I'm going to maybe have the bear over here. Kind of like that. I'm going to do my sentiment right there. Let's pop this up. Maybe in the background. Oh, we'll do that. It's almost like it's walking on ice, which is fitting because we're having an ice day today. And then she's got some fun little pebbles. Let's get that peeled off. Where's my pick tool? Whoops. My pick tool has been loose. I've got it tight, but for some reason it's a little loose. All right, I'm going to put a couple of my pebbles over here. I'm just going to put them all, kind of like a little extra thing. I'm going to do a little extra adhesive here just to make sure. I just wonder if I can tuck it under this. Let me get a little extra there. Tuck it. You could do this in any manner that you wanted. Trying to decide right where I want it. We'll go with that. Cute! Well, let me get rid of this here. Okay. Oh, I love that one. I love this bear. Now, it does not have to die, so you are going to have to cut that one out. But super cute. Love that. Okay. So let's get over to Joanne's. And we're going to attempt to do 2 quick cards with Joanne. She's got Seize the Day. I'm going to pull off her topper there. Now it's a mess. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll do this first one with a balmy blue card base. And then I have a piece of basic white. It's just 5 1/4 by 4. I want to kind of, not sure what I'm going to do yet. Let's see. Now I don't have a sentiment, so what I did pull out was my Whale Done. I don't have Seize the Day, which is another reason I like the card candy, because I can see some of the different sets I don't have. And I'm gonna do my Love for You is Bigger Than the Ocean. I just want kind of a long, skinny stamp on here. And we need a block, and I think I'm gonna use Pacific Point. That kind of goes with our blue. It's nice and dark. Okay. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna try this. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna stamp our sentiment down at the bottom. All right, we're gonna try that to start with. And then I think I'm going to use these 3 pieces on top. Okay, trying to get it pulled off here. I'm going to put a couple extra dimensionals on here just to make sure it's going to stick. All right, I'm going to do very gently, I'm just going to lay that down till I'm sure that's where I'm going to put that. All right, I want to use these 3 pieces. Get that wax paper off of there. I don't know. Let's see. Doing kind of a grouping. That's what I'm looking for. That one, or we put fish on top. I'm going to put the fish on top. Okay. Before I stick the rest of those on, since that's what I'm going to do, let's adhere this down. Whoops, look, it wasn't dry. Let's see, I've got a little sand eraser. No, I smeared it. No! Okay, I've already put adhesive. I can't flip it over, so let's just put it on. And be careful not to touch anything else. Oh, I'm making it worse. Okay, stop. Don't touch anything else. Let me make sure my hands are clean. And though I don't have ink on my fingers. Okay, I think I'm all right. We're gonna let that dry. Let's not touch it. Okay. Now we're gonna put these on. I think that's where I had it. Cute. Okay. These aren't sticky, so let me put a sticky one on there. I'm going to put this one down at the bottom. And here's our fish. Those are a little bit sticky. Hold on. I put some adhesive on those. We're going to put this one right above it. I love these fish. And she's also has Wink of Stella. I don't know if you can see how sparkly those are. Isn't that cute? Different. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to use this big octopus. So I'm going to use a half sheet. This is actually basic white, not thick white. I pulled the wrong one. That's okay. All right, I did get a piece. I had this left over. A piece of, I think it's Love You Always. I can't remember the name of this one. This paper, whoops, but I love the purple. So we're going to do this one going portrait style. If I can get it on straight to start, relatively straight. Okay, then I did cut just a piece of white because I need a sentiment. What are we gonna do? Let's see how much room we have. Let's peel this off. Do we have, you're kind of a big deal. Will that fit? Let us see. That will fit. Let's do that. This is like a kraken. This is what I'm going to call the kraken. It's a squid. You know, back in the day, the giant squids, they called the kraken, I think. Or that's a mythical animal. I don't know. All right, hopefully I'm going to stamp this cleanly because I've already adhered it, so I'm living dangerously. Let's grab our Gorgeous Grape ink pad. And see if we could stamp this without making a mess. Do I have a different block? That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I'm going to do a one practice one. Okay, that looks good. Let's just stamp this right at the bottom. Like that. I love this stamp set. And it goes really well with the Seize the Day. All these cute sea creatures. All right. These are not sticky. I'm just going to pop these off. And we're going to pop on a few new ones. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Isn't that cute? So quick and easy. I love it. And the Kraken is all, the squid is all sparkly. Could be an octopus too. His head's a little pointy, not super pointy. He's an octopus. Octopus squid, very similar. All right, so I hope you enjoyed these. I would love for you to order any of these stamp sets. We have used, Wonder, hold on, Nature's, what is it? Just a second. Wildlife Wonder, right here in the mini catalog. We have Seize the Day, and then I've also used Whale Done for some of our sentiments. So you can click the link below to my online store if you would like to make a purchase, and then if you would like supplies and measurements, please check out the blog post with the link below as well. All right, thanks everybody. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.